welcome back to the channel. So today I'm featuring Kisslove hair. Big shout out to Kisslove for sponsoring today's video. So today I have one of their pre-cut 360 HD lace wig. That is the hairline, and the knots are pre-bleached, and the knots look pretty good. These knots are giving like invisible small knots, and I love that. You have a comb in the nape area, as well as your INVISI straps and elastic band, which has silicone grip. Now I have two wig caps on only because my hair is not braided and I don't want my head to look super big. Now I'm going to melt this. I'm probably gonna have to melt this for a long time because it was giving ashy a little bit. I think I want to wand curl this since I have this wand curl out. y'all, I am obsessed. This is the finished look. You can't tell me this hair is not fire. I'm back in my half up, half down era. I had stopped for a while because for a minute I felt like it was like a little childish. Nah, this color combination eats down, okay? I'm gonna fluff this out a little bit. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. I've had colors like this, but it's the density and the length that just makes it all come together. Like, this is one of my favorite looks that I've done in a long time. I'm really loving the half up, half down, and then this little vibe right here, the little fake curtain bang. Ooh. Y'all about to be tired of this. Y'all gonna be tired of this look because it's something about this. I'm obsessed, you guys. So this is going to be it for my Kisslove 360 INVISI strap snug fit. And when I tell you snug fit, baby, it fits good. She fits good. This is gonna be it for my review. We'll be posting some pictures over on Instagram, and I will be filming a TikTok. So I might as well do a YouTube short so you guys can see this in its entirety. But she is long, full, and gorgeous. Big thank you to Kisslove for sponsoring today's video and sending over this bomb wig. Check it out. If you don't like this color, I'm sure they have it in black. I will have everything linked down in the description box. Definitely check that out. Let me know what you guys think about this look, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.